The Easter weekend has arrived, and there is one thing that we all have to admit. We all have to admit that the number of accidents and the number of deaths that occur on our roads are largely because of our actions as drivers. That is one thing that we cannot shy away from. We have a lot of drivers out there who drink alcohol and then they drive. We have a lot of drivers who are reckless drivers. We have drivers who drive vehicles that are not roadworthy. And we have many other problems. We have companies that use trucks and freight vehicles that are not up to standard. And those companies, they also hire drivers that are not properly qualified and drivers that are not properly experienced. All of those things, as well as the lack of maintenance of their vehicles, all of those things lead to accidents and people dying on the roads. We also, as drivers of vehicles and buses and taxis, we also play a hand in the accidents that occur. We have taxi drivers that drink and drive, taxi drivers that speed. We have taxi drivers that overwork themselves because they want to make as much money as possible, especially the ones that do long distances, and that leads to fatigue. And once the body shuts down, there is nothing you can do about that. We have a lot of problems on the road, but all of those problems, if we can consolidate them, we will find that 80% of them are problems that can be dealt with if we can be responsible on the road and avoid speeding, drive responsibly, and respect other fellow road users. We would definitely have less accidents on our roads. And another thing is that we should be patient and tolerant and understand that as much as we are drivers, but we do not drive the same. Having said all of that, it is important for all of us to understand that the Easter weekend is just a weekend at the end of the day. We cannot afford to lose many people just because of another weekend. Vuka Taki.